What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here. In this video, we're going to break down the #1 real estate CRM tutorial for brand new real estate. So even if you're brand new, or if you're a seasoned veteran, or if you're intermediate, anywhere in between, I'm going to show you guys the best CRM to go through and use, and actually how to utilize it for your business. And also, as a cool little bonus, if you guys are watching this video and you go, I'll drop the link down below. If you go to this site right here and sign up for a free 7-day trial, you guys will get a full-on concierge service as you sign up, which our team will be able to help you import your leads, and also we'll go through and we'll post to social media for you 30 times per month of real estate specific content to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, so you don't even have to worry about it. So that's just like a little free bonus added, this special extra for you guys for jumping on, watching this video today and sign up for a free 7-day trial. So to get that, all you got to do is come down here to this little chat button, and you can see right here, you can see start a new conversation, ask Lauren, Denise, Beth, anyone on our support team, and they'll be able to help you out. Right, so let's get into this, guys. Let's break down the #1 real estate CRM for beginning real estate agents and how to actually go through and use this. I want to go through and show you guys in the back end and kind of what things you can go through and make possible. Okay, so this is the main dashboard right here, and this is obviously just a demo account, but I just want to show you guys a few things that we've got right here. So right up here in the top left, you've got the hottest leads. Okay, so it's one thing to go through and know who are the most recent leads, which this is the newest leads right here. But you also want to know not only like did they just opt in, but are they actually opening your emails? Are they clicking on the links within your emails? Are they actually engaging with your brand and your content and revisiting maybe your websites and all that stuff? So that's what we go through and do. Now, there was an MIT and Harvard study that talks about how if you are to go through and contact a lead within the first 5 minutes of them opting in and becoming a lead, you're about 80 to 90% more likely to convert that lead into a sale. So that obviously has a pretty high weight when we're talking about leads and how hot they are and active. But if somebody opts in and they're not like engaging with your brand or your content, doesn't really matter, right? Like you want them to be opening your emails, clicking on links, and we found that agents that are able to go through and see which leads are actually engaging with their marketing messages, those people are so much more ready. We've even had agents who work with us, and they'll find like who the hottest leads are, and they've got family members that are the ones opening and clicking. They don't even realize that they're in the market to buy or sell a home. So it's pretty crazy stuff. You guys can see right here we've got the next appointments, and then obviously this is a quick little run through of the dashboard of how many leads that you've gotten, how many social posts are going out, and you can see it broken down by Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. And remember, guys, if you guys get started with a free 7-day trial, we will actually go through and we'll post to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn 100% for you. So a member of our team will jump in, we'll create real estate specific content, okay, and we can even show you guys the content of what it looks like, and then we'll actually just go through and do that for you. Also, if you guys have any leads like an existing database from LinkedIn, Gmail, Outlook, wherever it is, we'll just go ahead and import all of your leads for you. And so then we can even start kind of like some of these email marketing messages, so you can see which leads are actually the hottest without spending a dime on advertising. You can just blast out an initial email and see which ones are your hottest leads, which ones are actually opening those emails, which ones are clicking on the links where you're sending them. And based on which ones are opening and clicking and all that stuff, you'll be able to see which leads are actually probably ready to take action that you should probably be reaching out to. All right, so let's just jump in here. So like we've got Jay right here. You can see doesn't have a phone number, but this is obviously just a demo account. So if we click right here, we click on Jay. Now he is one of the hottest leads, because if we come to his account, you can see right here in the history and upcoming, he's a recent lead. Okay, so June 4th looks like that was yesterday. Okay, so we sent him an email as soon as he opted in, and he opened the email. Okay, now I don't believe this email actually has a link to click on, but if there was a link to click on, that would also be in the history, so we'll be able to see everything of how that lead is engaging with our brand, because those people that are opening, clicking, all that stuff, we want to be talking with them, right? Now the cool thing is with Jay right here, we can also come over here and enroll him into an email sequence, a little drip sequence, whether you can see he's a first-time home buyer, a seller lead, buyer lead, or even this bi-monthly updates. That's basically what happens is every 2 weeks we'll just go through and drip a real estate specific email on that person, so you stay top of mind with that new lead. All right, now this is super powerful because you're educating this person, and maybe they're not ready to buy or sell a home, but maybe in 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, you don't know when, But if you're the one nurturing that person, you're the one that they're more likely to go through and follow up with, right? So you can see right here, up here at the top, we can add notes to this person if we're going through and we're in communication, helping them buy or sell a home. Add a little note, save that note, so we can say test note. We hit save and it drops down here into our history and upcoming, so you can see everything just at a glance, right? And then we can also shoot off an email directly to this person, send a text, log a phone call, go through, add a task, and this will show up over here on the calendar, okay, which syncs with your Google Calendar, which is super nice, right? So you could be on your phone, you can go through, create an appointment, create a task, whatever is going on right here. Be on your phone, you're out and about at an open house, at a showing, or wherever you are, and you'll just be able to look up and see, okay, I've got at 3 p.m. I've got this showing, and then at 7 p.m. I've got an open house, or whatever it might be. So you can be on the go with everything that you've got going on. Then also, as part of this, we've synced with Gmail right over here. So when you come over here to your inbox, and this is just a demo account, so I haven't fully synced with it, but you'll be able to go through and manage all of your work emails from Gmail. So you'll have all the conversations over here, kind of like just like how it is on, you know, iMail or any of those different apps. So you have the conversation, you can click through here and then respond and have the conversation over here. Now, as I mentioned, guys, this is just a demo account, so I don't have that all synced up right here, but it's a nice way to go through and follow up with all of your leads. And then right here, this is where, you know, we'll go through, and as I mentioned earlier, we'll be able to go through and help you import all of your leads wherever they're from. And if we've got Google Sync right here, so if you got all your contacts in your Google Contacts, you just sync, one button, one click, and it just syncs with your Google account, brings all of them in, and it just makes it super nice and easy. And then it's showing you guys, as before, you know, you click on one of these leads, you'll be able to go through and see, you know, this person obviously put in a bogus email. That's why I said bounce email. Be able to click and see which leads are coming in, what's going on, if emails are going out, if they're clicking on links, and what's going on. But as you know, showed you guys before, this dashboard makes it really nice. Be able to see like, okay, emails, how many were sent, how many were open, how many were clicked on, and you can go through and filter out here. Let's check out the last week. Okay, so there's 41 emails, or we can say in the last 4 weeks, okay, or month to date. It's, you know, beginning of June, so that's why this number's a little bit lower. And we've got year to date. Okay, so you can see like all time, you can sort through all these different ones and see what's going on with the emails, how many are being sent, open, clicked on, how interactive your database is. And you know, obviously you've got your top appointments, hottest leads over here. We'll just go through, click on them. So we got like Jake right here. Maybe Jake, we want to go through and follow up with them. Oh, he opened his email. This is somebody, we've got his phone up, we got all this information right here, so we want to go through and follow up. Now, another cool thing that most CRMs don't have is we've got these landing page sites, these lead generation sites that you can go through, and we have all these pre-built templates, and we've tested them with thousands and thousands of dollars of paid advertising, so we know they're going to convert for you. Okay, so if you come in here and let's say we click on create another website, and let's say you've got a listing you want to go through and market. Okay, so you just click on this listing leads one. It'll kick you into the website builder. You can customize it. The template's pretty much done, right? We've got the headline, got the sub headline, call to action already done for you. All you got to maybe do is change out the background image and customize it to you and your business. Or we've got all these other campaigns. So we've got seller leads, we've got buyer leads. This one's buyer leads if you do not have a listing. Okay, so you don't have to have a listing to make this work. We've got open house, we've got several seller leads campaigns, we've got several templates for mortgage brokers, loan officers, because you know, if you're a realtor or a mortgage broker, you probably work very closely together, because if someone's looking to buy a home, that person's a perfect lead for both of you. You guys can work in unison with this, right? And we've got all these other different templates, websites, all that stuff, and lead forms, we integrate with them. So just kind of like some nice little features that are in addition to this CRM that are really like, we've simplified this dramatically to make it super simple for you to go through and generate new leads, import existing leads, follow up with all your leads, stay in touch with them. And then one last thing I forgot to show you guys, but we've got this messages section where you can go through and you can, you know, set up an email drip sequence. Okay, and we've got a lot of pre-built ones already done for you. We can blast out an email to all of our contacts, shoot out a text, we can see the activity, how that's all interacting. And as I mentioned before, guys, we've got this little social tab right here, which you can go through and schedule out posts to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and you can make real estate specific posts. If you guys opt in below for watch this video, we're gonna hook you guys up with a little special bonus that we will actually go through and create the post so you don't have to spend your time, because we know you're super busy, right? You're a real estate agent, you've got a lot on your plate. So what you do is just jump in, and then you just come down here, and like we've got all these little chat bubbles right here where it's like you just reach out to our support team. You hit new conversation. Beth, Denise, Lauren, they're all amazing, and we've even got several others to be able to help assist you getting started with your real estate CRM. All right, so anyway guys, I'll add the link to this site over here so you guys can get started with the free 7-day trial. Let them know that you guys watched this video, and we'll hook you guys up with those little bonuses of posting 30 times per month for you, okay, to all your social media platforms of real estate specific content. And we will also go through, help you import those leads, and we can even enroll those initial leads into a little real estate specific drip sequence. So that's all done on autopilot. You don't even have to think about it. And then you can just come back here to your dashboard and see which ones are actually opening the emails, clicking on the emails, and so you can know which leads are your hottest because they're gonna rise up to the top. All right, so anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Also drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys subscribe, because we launch a new video every single day on how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all later.